Welcome to Affordable Codes. If you're looking for an experienced coder for your project needs, search no more. We are experienced in PHP, HTML, CSS, Ajax, JavaScript, and jQuery. We can also do graphics design for your user interface. Instead of explaining our services and experience, please take just 4 minutes and watch this time-lapse video of us coding an actual project. To begin, we first start with the UI, short for user interface. Colors, buttons, the look and feel of your project. If you have your own design, that's awesome. We recommend you have an exact representation of your project. The next phase is HTML and CSS. Look at HTML more as the foundation of your project, and CSS as the support holding your structure in place. We use HTML to add fields, buttons, text, images, and all the necessary components of your project. We use CSS for the component placements, color, and structure of your project. The next phase of this project is JavaScript and jQuery user functionality, and in the case of this project, user validation. This script will immediately check for errors and validate phone numbers, date of birth, blank spaces, empty fields, and filter your selected state. Finally, we arrive at the final 3 phases: Ajax, PHP, and SQL. Ajax is compatible with JavaScript. We use Ajax to send the validated information to PHP. PHP is compatible with SQL. We use PHP to communicate with the server. PHP receives the information and posts it to SQL, the server. SQL is the database used to store your information. And that's it, my friend, an interactive form.